All right, so it is early morning. It is TOT 2019. It's probably 7:15. I left the hotel, the Fairbridge, and I am headed to Dobson Pass. And this ride has a couple of options. In the past, I've always done the full loop where you go up to Dobson Pass. It's about 18 miles. It's pretty much all uphill. The last 6 miles is the big climb. And then you go down the other side to Pritchard for an ice cream. And then you follow River Road for 20 miles to the Snake Pit to have lunch. Morning. And then take it on home, back on the Trail of the Coeur d'Alene to the hotel. But today, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to go up to the top of Dobson Pass, and I'm going to turn around and I'm going to come right back down. So instead of a 54-mile ride, it'll be 36. But I've never done it this way, so I thought, why not try it? And I'll be taking this path for about 12 miles. It's got a gentle incline. So yeah, all right, Myrtle, let's go. Let's go to Dobson Pass. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, I'm almost to Wallace. Still haven't seen anybody. And I've got a very strong headwind. It'd be nice to turn off and start the climb and get out of this wind. Okay, I've come to Wallace and the turnoff. It looks like there's a couple trikers here getting ready to go up the hill.
Wow. So
Cool.
Going up the...
Go on up.
Right.
Yeah, so I'll see you.
Well, I'm not sure I'm going to make it. I'm just going to try.
Yeah, that's a nice thing about this route is you can go up to the top or just go as far as you want, turn around and come back down. Yeah. So this is 9 Mile Creek Road, but I think it's only 6 miles to the top. Hi there, how you doing? It's nice to have company out here.
Hey, Sylvia.
Hey, how are you, Ron?
Good.
Nice to see you.
Yeah. How many miles up is this, Sylvia?
How are you doing?
Not too bad.
Yeah?
First time.
Okay, I think it's about 6 miles to the top. I got company. Hi.
Oh.
How you doing?
I can
Yeah.
barely breathe.
I think we're just about mile 4.
Okay. 2 more miles.
2 more, just over 2. And here comes Christine. It's a party. Party on Dobson Pass.
It's easy to party when you have hardly any oxygen.
Yeah.
What happened?
And then we got a mechanical here. His pedal came loose.
Oh, wow.
Dave's pedal came loose.
Okay, that one's in tight. No problem.
And luckily, John has tools. And he's back in business. Back on the road. John saves the day. How about that? Hey, you guys, how are you?
You can't ride and film at the same time?
Oh, of course I can. Trikes are perfect for filming and riding together. All right, we've done it. We've made it to the top of Dobson Pass. Woo! Ow! Well, we've got a good group up here. This is super fun. Yeah. Awesome. Well, thanks you guys. Thanks for waiting. All right, we had a great time at the top. So many trikers. So many people came in after me. Some people came by truck, by car, by van, and a lot of people biked it. And we had a big photo shoot. I actually had to do the photo shoot like 3 or 4 times because so many more people kept showing up. And now I'm on my way down. I've gotten through the hairpin so I can hold the camera again. It's too treacherous at the top. I need both hands on the wheel, on the brakes. But now it's mellowed out. And I'm probably just a couple miles from Wallace now. Is it time for ice cream? Yeah? All right. There's always room for ice cream. back to the hotel after another fabulous ride up Dobson Pass and on the trail of the Coeur d'Alene. Yep. Pulling in. TOT Central.